Here's how you can make an extra $633. I'm going to show you how to monetize your website today, a fresh way to do that. Welcome to ProfitCopilot.com. My name is Mick Meaney. I'm here to help you profit from your passion. So today I'm going to show you how you can connect with globally recognized brands and have them pay you for spreading their message, recommending their products or services. So the average earnings that bloggers and influencers receive using the platform we're looking at today is $633. Let's have a look at it. Today's platform is called webfluential.com. That's webfluential.com. Web Influential. And it says it drives awareness, traffic, and sales with influencers. So there's a couple of ways of using this website. Today we're going to focus on making money from it. But if you want to use it to drive traffic and sales, well, you can do that too. So here we have a few options. The front page, the landing page, is really designed for brands that want to increase their reach. So we want to make money today. Let's go to the influencers tab. Let's click that. Let me run you through this platform. So it says Webfluential gives you the power you need to turn your influence into a business. Join thousands of influencers. This is a really strongly recommended platform, guys. People are doing very well with this one. So it gives you a professional media kit. So a media kit is vital if you want to attract sponsorships and brands who will pay you a decent commission to promote their message. You need a media kit. This will help you get set up for it. So it will host your stats, rate card, and best work on public URL. So it will show off your best content there. And then you can share that link with brands who want to collaborate with you. Sounds pretty good. And then you can pitch to brands instantly. So this platform has over 5,000 brands that you can pitch to. So you can create a quote in minutes and send that to brands already looking for influencers like you. So this is going to be targeted messages. So it's not going to be random. This is good, and the more precise, the more targeted, the more valuable it is. So you can do really well. It also gives you insights into your influence. They've actually got a calculator that we're going to look at in a minute. And let me say, I am not associated or affiliated with this platform in any way. Someone has recommended this to me. They're doing okay with it. And I thought I would share it with you. That's it. I'm not earning anything from this recommendation. So it will show you insights into your influence, so you can see all the metrics from your channels in one place. You can track growth, engagement. Engagement is so vital. People talk about the number of followers. Followers is meaningless. It's a vanity metric. The thing that we really want to be looking at is engagement. That's the real clue. So track growth, engagement, and performance of your content and use these insights to learn and grow. So how do we grow using metrics like this? Well, of course, we look at what is working and then we do more of it. It's that simple. So this is really awesome. It says, see how much your influence is worth. So it says, Web Influential helps influencers value their influence. Sign up, authorize your social channels, and we'll calculate how much money you could earn per post. You actually don't have to sign up to get that. There's a free calculator which I'll show you how to use in a second, so you can put in your own Twitter handle and see exactly how much you can earn per post. We'll do like a fun test with someone famous in our niche. Okay, have a look at this. It says, get paid to do what you love. Turn your influence into a full-time gig. Work with the world's leading brands and monetize your passion for online content by joining our private community of influencers. That is perfect for people like us. And then it says $633 is the average monthly earnings per active influencer. It's not bad, right? And here's just a few of the brands that trust Webfluential. I keep screwing up the name. Webfluential technology. So a few of the brands that trust this website. From micro enterprises to Fortune 500 companies, brands from over 130 countries have booked influencers on Webfluential. So we've got Nokia, Burger King, Shell, Samsung, Nando's, Coca-Cola, Absolute, loads, KFC. So these work with pretty massive brands, and that's where the money is, right? And it says 35,000 plus influencers use Webfluential to manage their influence. So this has got social proof. People are using this to make money. I actually know someone who's doing really well on this platform. That's why I'm sharing this with you today, because it is a proven way to make money. It's a proven way to monetize your website and monetize your blog. Let's go check out the calculator. So here, this is free to use. So it says calculate how much your tweets are worth. All you have to do is enter your Twitter handle into our estimator. From there, we'll calculate how much money you could earn per tweet and make the dream of becoming a social influencer and getting paid a reality. Now, this is not just for Twitter. The calculator shows you how much your tweets are worth, but you will get paid per blog post. I think it connects with Facebook as well. It works with a lot of social media platforms and your own website. So don't be disheartened if you don't have a big Twitter following. Not many people do. So let's, just for fun, let's see Gary V. Let's see how much Gary V is potentially going to get paid per tweet. It might be a fun way to use this platform. So, crikey. So, estimated around $6,000 to $7,000 per tweet. So that's Gary V, top tier guy. Obviously, we mere mortals probably won't ever see tweets worth that kind of money. But there you go. It gives you an idea of the value of tweets if you have the right reach, of course. But listen, we've spoken about how to make money from your audience, but how do you build that audience? Well, I'm going to give you a free training course. It's going to show you how to grow an audience on the internet, drive laser targeted traffic to your website so you can monetize that when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. It ain't going to cost you a penny. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel too, hit that little notification bell so you never miss an update from me, and I will hopefully see you again in a couple of days' time. Take care.